Let's have a look at this question, challenge number 6. This is a spatial question. What we have is the input data. We can open up, see it's some kind of sales rep traveling through the US. Let's switch on the background map. So the idea is we have a different sales rep. They go through different, hopefully you can see a little bit, probably not the best contrast, some kind of ordering through different cities. We aim to make a line to see the journey they made, and we're looking to find who traveled the most. And rep include querying, so we're going to sort the data, we're going to make a line segment. Let's switch the base map. So we can see first rep Diana zigzag throughout the city. Although it's a spatial, there's a lot of things to ask. It's really easy to use the tool. What we're looking for is we're looking for is a polybuild because we want to make a LAN. Have connecting input. The data source is in the centroid as a point object as already. So in the drop down depends. We're looking for a single root. We're not looking for a circle. So polylan is exactly what we're looking for. Source field, the centroid. Group by, yes, we are looking for each rep. So sales rep, then with sorter, sorting field, we have is trip order. So because it's quite an easy question, so all the information given. In real life, sometimes you may need to do some additional preparation or data transformation to get those column ready. Let's just run workflow. I think each one has, we have 7 reps, each person did 7 trips. So that's why I get 49 rows. If we click on the output, we get individual lines. The second part, we're looking for the distance traveled. The distance traveled, you have different options. In the past, you could use pairwise join or union to calculate distance, but we already had line. We can use spatial info. That's a very typical use for the spatial tools. What we're looking for, the spatial object. That's the build object, the line segment. We're looking for the length. They're looking for miles, most miles. So we're looking for the length in miles. Let's just add a sort. So this should produce a single additional column as the measurement, the length of the line. We're looking for the most traveled, probably just put a sort in the backend. That as well. So we want the run, so we'll give a length of miles. We're looking for the one traveled the most, so the descending order. If we run workflow, the data is actually quite small, so the spatial tool is actually very robust within Alteryx. It runs pretty fast. So we have Diana, Cassie, and Dan. So we have 966, 966, yeah, Diana, Cassie. And that is what this challenge is. That's a little bit to show what this is the when I first did it, probably 2 years ago, when I first got into the Alteryx. I wasn't as familiar with all the spatial tools, so you can see the workflow a bit longer. To show you the transition happened, this is the logic. With the tools I get taught, I used multi-row formula. So the idea is actually to pad out for each point, so I can do pairwise calculation. So that's what the distance tool is. So we can calculate pairwise between each point, how far they are. Then I summed up for group by per person, the distance. Join back to make sure I think on each individual's rep's name, yeah, on each representative, the bottom half is line object. So clearly you can see for the top 4 tools, I didn't realize there's a spatial info then. You can actually answer the question much quicker. And this to show you when you start learning it, it's fun. You build multiple tools to do things. Once you get more proficient, you know certainly there's more tools that's available to do the things. Great, you can start to help improve the process. And that's the learning steps as well. And that's that. So yeah, 3 tools, very simple workflow. Thanks for watching.